Hello, 10-year-olds. Today I am going to explain a new topic. It is about stories that happened in the past. ¿Ok? En esta clase les voy a explicar acerca del tema de historias que suceden en el pasado. Y por eso vamos a utilizar unas palabras diferentes que son estas que están en negrita. Estos son verbos que nos indican que algo pasó. Recordemos que los verbos son acciones y en inglés se escriben a veces con ed al final o se cambia completamente la palabra. Vamos a leer este texto. Hi, my name is Frank. Last weekend my family and I went to the beach. We visited Jaco Beach. We had a great time. First, we swam in the ocean. Then, we played with a beach ball in the water with some friends. Next, we made a sand castle. Finally, I learned how to ride a surfboard. It was fun riding the surfboard. We really enjoyed our weekend. Okay? Esta palabra went es la que usamos cuando decimos go en pasado. Entonces, si alguien me pregunta, what did you do on your vacations? ¿Qué hiciste en tus vacaciones? Yo digo, I went to the beach, por ejemplo. No digo I go, porque I go es yo voy. Y como es en pasado, decimos I went. Or I visited. I visited. Visité. We had a great time. Nos la pasamos muy bien. We swam in the ocean. No decimos we swim, ¿verdad? Nadamos en el océano, sino decimos nadé en el océano. We played es jugué. We made a sand castle, hicimos un castillo de arena. Finally, I learned how to ride a surfboard. Aprendí cómo andar una tabla de surf. Aprendí. And we really enjoyed. De verdad disfrutamos our weekend. Okay, so now if I have 2 or 3 sentences, how do we complete these exercises? So we have last weekend, my family and I went to the beach. We visited Jaco Beach. We had a great time. Entonces, si me dicen, according to the story, de acuerdo a la historia, Frank went to. Entonces, acá la palabra clave sería went. Entonces, me voy a fijar that Frank is saying, I went to the beach. So, the correct answer would be the beach. Frank visited what place? Yes, Jaco Beach. And Frank had, what did he have? He had a bad time, a great time, or a hamburger. Well, according to the story, he had a great time. Now you are going to do this one with me. First, we swam at the ocean. Then we played with a beach ball in the water with some friends. Next, we made a sand castle. And finally, I learned how to ride a surfboard. So, Frank made, vamos a buscar esta palabra en el texto de arriba, made what? Some cookies, sand castle, or a surfboard? Sure, a sand castle. Frank learned, what did he learn? How to ride a surfboard. And finally, Frank played, tenemos que buscar esta palabra, Yes, played with a beach ball, with water, or with a surfboard. Yes, with a beach ball. Okay, now you have to prepare your evidence, okay? Con este texto que está aquí, que es muy similar, ustedes van a contestar las preguntas con marque con X que les envié. Voy a leerlo y están listos para iniciar. Hi, my name is Felipe. Last weekend, my family and I went to Fiesta Hotel. I was with friend Roger. We had a great time. First, we swam in the swimming pool. Then, we played volleyball with my parents. Next, we ate delicious seafood. La palabra nueva acá sería ate, que es comí, es el pasado de eat. Y was, que sería estaba, with my friend Roger. So I was with my friend Roger. Okay? Very good. Good luck.